Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you main train station of Aachen. Here DB stands for Deutsche Bahn and Hauptbahnhof stands for main train station. Aachen has other train station as well, but this is the main train station which connects you to different countries of Europe. So this is a very important place. Here is also police office, and here is, you can see this building. This is an immigrant office. So if you are coming for a renewal of your visa or residence permit, you will have to come here. This is a bronze sculpture of the horses, and there is also very cheap hotels. So if you want a accommodation as you arrive in Aachen, you can get very cheap hotels, student hostels, very easily here. So this train station connects you to Belgium, Netherlands, Hungary, so many countries. And this sculpture is actually very famous just because of its beauty. This train station was built in 1905. It was actually open for the public, and it has been 115 years. It is still standing, and in 2000 year it was renovated. This is a safe place and very happening place because all the people commute daily from here, and very well connected with the buses. So this is the front of the train station, and here they are the bus stop where it connects you to the different parts of the city. And this is the sitting area where people can sit and relax. This is the backside of the train station. You can park your cycles here, or your car parking is also here. This is the inside of the train station. You can buy your tickets also from these ticket stations. This is the screen you can see which shows arrival and departure. There are bakery. There is also supermarket from where you can buy your milk. This is a bookshop. So if you're coming on Sunday, there will be a small supermarket. You can buy some daily use items from there. These brochures are also available here in English, also German, Dutch, French. So because there is a Reisebüro here also. Reisebüro means a traveling office. But the thing is, if you go to the counter, the officer may not be able to speak in English. They speak mainly German here. So from brochures you can get information in English and Dutch, French, in other languages as well. So it is more convenient, and they are very easy to operate, and people really help you if you want help. Because of Corona, there is not much rush here. This is McDonald's. It is everywhere, you know that. And bakery, there is more rush. People like bakery here more than McDonald's. There are toilets which are clean and well maintained. And now we are going upstairs to the platform. There are 7 platforms here. This is a train from Netherlands, because Netherlands trains, Belgium trains also operate from here. So it is very well connected. It is very easy to commute, and cheaper also. And there are screens everywhere to tell you at what time train is coming. And trains here come normally at a correct time. So you have to be punctual. Very rarely train gets late because of the bad weather or what. This is a German regional train. It connects different cities. There are also bullet trains here which are operated at more speed. I hope you find my today's vlog useful. If you did, please hit the like button, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.